Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the silver chart on 5th of April. Then I'm going to show you the positions I made yesterday and see what happened there. But before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start now. As you can see, the gold and silver price has been moving up nicely. If you can see it, if you check the market of silver on weekly time frame, you can see actually there are resistances in front of the price. One of the major ones is on 27, the other one is on 28.76. the other resistance, which is the most important one, is 29.8 until 30.2. These are the most important resistances instead of the price in weekly time frame. But if we check the lower time frames like weekly time frame, we can see we have the resistance here, which is broken to the upside. If you want to see some downward movements and we stop from pumping the price to the upside, we have to see this candle or the next day's candles, some nice red candles that can be closed below this resistance here, which is a support right now. Okay, in lower time frames like 4-hour time frame, we don't have anything special. In 1-hour time frame we don't have anything special also. It's just the price has made a correction and I believe it is gonna go up again. It's just a correction, I believe, like that, because we didn't have any resistances like here in the past of the market. But in lower time frames, in my previous analysis, if you have checked it, I told you that we have the price was somewhere here, I believe, yeah, somewhere here. I told you that we have some resistances here. If the price touches them and makes a candle, we can risk on them and enter sell positions. The first one was this one. We could enter here, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us something around 2.2 risk reward 2.2. the other one is was this one here. The price started going up from here and touched that level, and again it made a candle like this one, rejected from there, and we could enter here, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us a reward of 4.3. Okay, thank you guys for watching this part. Let's move to the next part, which I'm gonna show you the positions I made on 4th of April. Welcome back traders. As you can see here, we are on the silver chart, 5-minute time frame, and it's 4th of April. Then I'm gonna show you the 4 profitable positions I made on this day and see how I actually enter positions, how do I set my stop loss, and how do I exit trades that you can learn from them and trade in the real market. As you can see on the first position, we did have this trend line here, okay, with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the 4th time it was broken here. We did have the chance to enter a sell position here, put our stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer here, which I did, and look for risk to reward 2 or RR2, which it gives us more than that, something around 7.5. On the second position, we did have a support. We did have the price falling, okay, and it touched an invisible level and started going up. Okay, we draw a support line like this. In the future, the price reacts to that level. We can enter somewhere here on rejections like this one or this one, which I did enter here for more safety, and I did put my stop loss somewhere safe, and it gave me something around risk reward 3. And if you notice something, we have a resistance here too. Okay, the price started going up and touched an invisible level and started falling. Okay, we also do actually draw a resistance line like this. The price reacts to that level here. Okay, and also it can be a target for our buy position from here. Okay, you know, you can see these pin bars here, some really nice rejections. You know, I did enter here for sell position because of this is my strategy, resistance and the candle. Okay, but it did give me a stop loss. Okay, it did activated my stop loss with this candle. You know, it is market. Our job is always to risk. Okay, we have to risk to win the trades, otherwise we can't do anything in this market. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. This is all about this market. Yeah, it did activate my stop loss here. On the third position, we did have this trend line, which it was like this. At the first look, you connect this one to this one, and it gives us this one here. The price couldn't close the body. Where did it go? The internet is really getting on my nerves. It didn't close the body here. Okay, and instead, sorry, so we extend the trend line like this one, and it is broken here. Okay, the body of the candle is out of the trend line right now here. Okay, we can risk on it, don't care what the actually appearance of the candle is. We enter a sell position here because it is a breakout, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 3.5 somewhere here. On the last position, it was this one with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken here. We did have the chance to enter a buy position, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer here, which I did, and look for risk reward too, which it gives us much more than that. It gives us something around 22, which is a really nice reward. These kind of trades are the one which take our account up. Okay, it makes our account positive. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.